We are taking. Dang it. Let's see. Well, if you want to use that, use this for that. Slowly pull. Move that thing. Okay, I am calling this side of this one. Okay. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, you want to finish the back side? Hold it tight.
We got them cleaned up a little bit. Now we're gonna paint the black ones.
Hold on, I gotta dry them.
Oh, this is gonna be cool.
Uh-oh. You have the gloves on. My finger's freezing. Go ahead, that's up. Right there, dude.
It's a hole. Oh yeah, don't forget in the middle.
Now, can you dab that up? I did too much right there. We'll do the middle from the back side.
Okay.
Am I missing anything?
Let me see.
You do your side on the back. What did I do? Let's see. Is it good?
Nope.
Oh, did you do the back side? Right here?
No.
Will it start rolling? We're gonna need a piece of wood or something.
There's something underneath it.
We'll do this half today and the other half tomorrow.
Alright.
It's wet though, hold on.
This one looks good. Sure to spray extra on these, yeah. We could spray the silver one black.
No,
Why?
not worth it. Black looks uglier. You got the metal. It. We'll go buy you some quicker.
Okay.
All right, we finished about 90% of the work. Plates are painted. This barbell is painted. Cleaned up the rust on it. We still have to finish. We're gonna put the other silver plates in vinegar, and we're gonna finish up the silver bar tomorrow. Adios.
Here's clean.
Sir.
We're about to be
Surprising amount of rust off.
very nice. We're about to be painting the back side of the weights and the barbell.
Yeah.
So let's get right to it. And that cleans up nicely. Soon we're gonna be professionals at this. Let me do the middle.
Paper towel. I did too much. How do we do the middle good?
Yeah, I can do it. Give me.
Get one more spot right here. And then let's go for this one.
Let me get this side. Okay. With the sun, this will dry even faster.
Oh yeah. It's like 40-50 degrees in the sun.
Alright, my turn.
Just
We
do it.
oversprayed it a little.
I was trying to get the middle. And then tomorrow we'll do the top of the ink. Or maybe even tonight if it dries quick. I like that noise.
Yeah. Let's get the barbell. Last, but definitely not least. I should get those lines covered up.
Yeah, pretty good. Just go down the line.
do your backside. Let me see. That's nice ball.
Oh, perfect answer. 3 things.
Yeah.
I think that's plenty.
All right. Let's paint it up. Now we wait for it to dry.
Good stuff.
Good job, Clean.
Good job, Flip.
Let's go. We are gonna take the rust off of these with water and vinegar.
Yeah, so apparently we need half water, half vinegar. I think that's good. That's more than half, man. Okay. Okay.
All right, now we got the vinegar. Fill up this bad boy.
It's coming. Now this side.
All right, now we let it stew. We'll add some pepper in here in a little bit. All right, and we'll do the 45s next. Yeah, Clean?